in Douglas County today, and I'm about to take you into one of my favorite homes to date. It is absolutely spectacular. Come along with me because this one is a good one. They did a European engineered white oak matte floor all throughout the entire the main floor is the European engineered white oak floor. This is the office. Look how gorgeous. I love this one's style. Her and I could be really good friends because it's impeccable. So she picked out some wallpaper and I love all of the designs. So we have these gorgeous lights, this beautiful wallpaper, pedestal sink, this is in the kitchen. These lights I'm obsessed with. Look how gorgeous these things are. Countertops, backsplash. Everything ties together so nicely. Guest bedroom or bathroom back here has just like a checker tile with a pedestal sink. Another cool light, gorgeous mahogany door. Oh, I had these lights on. Someone came in and turned them off, but I'll come back on for you. Look at this. Yes, please. Are you kidding me? Look how gorgeous. I mean, it just flows so elegantly, so gorgeous. Perfection. So she has a 16 by 32 tile as the main tile floor here, then 3 by 12 tiles up the entire back wall, and then through the entire shower back here. We have penny tile on the main shower floor, gold fixtures, penny tile here. And then we have another wallpaper back here in the toilet room. It flows, everything flows, so gorgeous. Then this is just a little, I'm not sure, maybe this is gonna be a closet area. Then we go into the laundry room. We have a 16 by 32 tile on the laundry room floor. Let's see, pop right in through here. We have a room on the right. Look at this beautiful paint color on the wall. It's like a blush pink. This really adds a nice touch. Flows well with the floor. And we're gonna come into this gorgeous bathroom here. That's another yes please. I love the wallpaper, love the mirror, the gold fixtures. Really makes a nice statement. Then we have these this tile on the back wall. They call it a picket tile. I think that's what it's called. But look How gorgeous. Oh, and I love the little vase sconces. Everything is just so gorgeous. There's a little room back here. It's gonna be like a closet. Yeah, a closet back here. Okay, there's another room I missed on this side. I'm gonna take you back over here. So this is her mother-in-law lives across the way in the little pool house. So I'm gonna take you in there next, but this is the master right here. Yes. Oh, the sunset. Okay, so here we are. We have stair treads going up the stair casing that match the main flooring. Black picket spindles on the stair casing. Same floor that they have downstairs is also upstairs. Look at this cute little room. She has a wallpaper up here, a gorgeous color of like tealish green for an accent wall, a hanging swing, and a beautiful fan. And I believe we're gonna have similar style over here. We have a pretty accent wall here. And we're gonna have another swing hanging, it looks like there. Aren't these floors just spectacular? So pretty. Then we have a 12 by 24 tile here in this bathroom. A gorgeous sink station with another beautiful light with just a square tile back here, but it's so just sweet and elegant and classic. So pretty. Closet here. I love all the color palettes. Everything flows so well together. I know I've said that before, but I'm gonna say it again because it's the truth. And then this is the last room back here. It's a big, just like a big bonus room with two cool lights here and then another little fan over here in this little area. Big open room. And then out this window, there is a separate garage. They really put some thought into this home. So that wraps up this project. I have lots of photos that I've taken. I've just had a heyday capturing all the beautiful details in this home. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Okay, so here we are at the pool house. I've been in this home before, but it was just right before she moved in, so it was still, nothing was in and there was still needing some cleaning done. So here we are with all of the furnishings. She's done such a lovely job. So this is the mother-in-law that lives here in the pool house. This is the home that I just took you through. So here we are. But she also has a really nice floor here on the main level. This is all the way throughout. Then we have this pattern tile here in the laundry room. We have this bathroom here. Where they did a 3x12 on a subway pattern tile on the main, tile up there, and then the glass shower door. Really, really pretty. this is a bedroom. And then this is the master bath. It's a 16 by 32 tile. And then a 3 by 12 subway tile in the shower. That's a wrap. Thank you guys so much.